Hey guys, so I wanted to make a quick video and show you how that snipping tool went. I think I left out a step in there, and so I really do apologize. So here we are in our Google slide. I'm just getting rid of these pictures. But here we are in the Google slide, and I'm ready to put a screenshot here. Okay, so the first thing you need to make sure that you do is that you're on the right window that you want to screenshot. So I have to go to my GeoGebra window. So that's this tab, and so here I am. So what I'm going to do now is go down to the very, very bottom, and I'm going to go to my search on my computer, and I'm going to search for what is called the snipping tool. Okay, so when it comes up, there is what is called snip and sketch as well, but snipping tool is just fine too. But what you're going to do is click where it says new. So I'm up here on this window, and it says new. And what should happen is that your screen should kind of go a little blank or gray, okay? And so what you're going to do is you're just going to click and drag. Now, if you are on a Chromebook, there's a separate video for you. And here's the detail that I missed. Right up here at the top, there is a button that looks like 2 pages, and if you hover over it, it says copy. So you need to click that copy, okay? And that's what I think I missed, so I do apologize for that. So make sure you've clicked copy. You're going to go back into your Google slide, and when you are here, you have 2 choices. You can either right-click and do paste, or you can do Control-V. Either one of those will work, okay? And so there it is. Now that you have your snippet, you can make it as small or as large as you want to do, okay? So one more time, make sure you're on the right screen. Find your snipping tool. You want to do a new picture. Now, if you already have on here the old picture, right, and you're doing the next problem, when you go to click new, just don't save it. You don't need to save these files. Once you already have these pictures in your Google slide, it's been saved, okay? It's been saved. And so there you go. That's it. That's all you do, okay? Well, now I can't turn the video off.